right. Well, wanted to do one more set for you all to close out the evening here, or late afternoon, depending on where you're watching from. And this is, I mentioned I would do some more traditional Sliabh Luachra tunes, and if you're not sure what Sliabh Luachra is, that is the region where counties Cork, Kerry, and Limerick all intersect. So that is that part of the world where all the polkas and slides are very prevalent. So I thought I would just play a few for you just to wrap up the evening. If you want specific tune names for them, you'll have to ask me in the comments, and I will have to look up a couple before I respond. But here's some Sliabh Luachra slides and polkas.